Hello everyone, welcome to a special episode of Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode I will be talking to you about some of my favorite gardeners on YouTube and on TV. So I will be listing 6 names and I will be listing them in the ascending order of preference. So in the 6th position we have Creative Gardening. Creative Gardening is a YouTube channel and the YouTuber is from Hyderabad and he gives out really beautiful container gardening tips, and I love the way he's so simple, humble, with a lot of humility and with a lot of knowledge. He explains stuff and he does not use clickbaits or anything to increase his viewership, so I really like the natural way in which he functions. I really hope that he resumes YouTubing and putting a lot of content. In the 5th position we have Crazy for Flowers. So she is a YouTuber who is an Indian settled down in the US. She puts out amazing content regarding flowering plants especially. She has immense knowledge. I've learned so much from her, and I love the way she narrates things, and I love the way she ends her content with a beautiful thank you. I really melt when I listen to that thank you. Next we have Garden Answer. So this is the 4th position. So 4th position we have Garden Answer. Garden Answer is run by a very famous YouTuber named Laura. So she's from Canada and she gives out really good container gardening content, and she also gives us a lot of vegetable gardening updates, and she has an expansive garden which is so beautiful, pretty, full of color, full of life, and I really wish someday I would have a garden like hers. So in the 4th position we have Garden Rescue. Garden Rescue is a program on BBC, and it has Charlie and the Rich Brothers. So they actually renovate people's gardens, tiny or otherwise, with a meager budget. So that's the concept of the show. It is very beautiful. It comes on YouTube for people who cannot access BBC. It comes on YouTube mostly on the weekends, and I love the way they compete among each other. I have a soft corner for Charlie, but the Rich Brothers are also good. They are very contemporary and modern in their design. Charlie is more natural and very old school. I really like that. So that program I really love and adore, and I keep waiting for it every weekend. So in the 2nd position we have Gardener's World. I really wait for this program every weekend because it gets uploaded on YouTube and I can watch it. I love Monty Don. He is a legend. His voice reverberates the air whenever I watch his program. I try to emulate his way of speaking. It's so effervescent and adorable. And the content in Gardener's World is out of the world. I wish India had something like that with so much beauty and knowledge. Then we have, in the 1st position, we have Alan Titchmarsh. He has a tongue twister of a name, but he is one of my idols, and I really like him because he kind of introduced me into this beautiful world of creative gardening, and this fantasy world that he's introduced me through Love Your Garden shows. So this is the Love Your Garden show that I'm talking about, which creates beautiful gardens for people who really need the most. So I have been very emotional and I've cried also watching his videos on Love Your Garden because it has very touching stories. So here it is, guys. So these are my favorite YouTubers or gardeners on YouTube and on TV. If you have any of your lists, then list them down in the comment section and let me know. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore. If you like this video, subscribe.